This is the Sunset Bar, deck 8 aft. Whirlpools on the corner. So this is, you get here just by coming out the back of the clubhouse, which is just in there behind those windows. Unfortunately, all you can just see is my reflection. So I'm just going to walk back through the clubhouse and you'll see where we are. Those are the aft stairs. That's the rear of the ship. Now I actually quite like our location we are here, because our room is sort of above the aft stairs, then back slightly, and it's 2 minutes walk from our room to the quays, which I think is absolutely perfect. Come on, you've got the quays here, and actually this is where we've been going for our breakfast most mornings anyway. This is it's actually really nice in here. I find it a lot quieter in here than Horizon or the main deck diner, but again, that's just subject to people's choice. Hot drinks, juices there. Then you've got, I'd sort of say, call it the continental counter, because you've got your breads, fruits, yogurt, muesli, granola. There you go, your pastries if you don't fancy anything cooked. Now let's just go, I'll quickly go and show you the menus. It's easy just to show you the menus of what they do, because each thing does a different thing. So good morning. So Broadwater Diner does your English breakfast. You know, bacon, beans, stuff like that. Fusion does omelettes. I actually had breakfast at Fusion this week. Our friends have, and they said it's really nice. I've had pancakes in here. Good morning. Waffles and pancakes. They're really nice. Waffles and pancakes there in hook, lime and vinegar. So highly recommend blueberry. I think I had blueberry and Nutella. Any kind of strange combination you want. Now that is Sindhu in there. That's the Indian, I think it's actually, they call it an Asian fusion restaurant. We haven't been able to get in there, it's fully booked a week. Our friends were booked in here on the first night, and they said the food in here is fantastic. I'm just going to actually take a look in here. So I haven't actually been able to come in here and have a look, so I might be lucky to have a quick look around here. Oh wow, look at this in here, it's beautiful. Yeah. One bit of advice I'll say to everyone: if you want to have a look around the ship, go around and have a look early in the morning. Pretty much nowhere is unrestricted. I mean, obviously barring anywhere passengers not allowed. Even the restaurants that are closed, they'll let you just come in, just have a look around. And the staff will just be in there, just setting up ready for the day. Right, okay, let's go out here, and that's really beautiful in there. It's a shame that we can't get a book in this place. You have to book quite well in advance, so if you are lucky enough, I would say try and book it before you even board the ship. I love that on the floor. Ripples, gelato, so an ice cream bar. I recommend getting yourself an ice cream from here. These are delicious. Promenade shops, buy all your sweets and stuff. They are going to be quite expensive places. Typical things, you know, try and bring people in on their sea days. You find on the sea days around here they are really, really, really busy. Someone sells watches. I don't know which one that one is. What's a specific name for that one? Oh, those are stairs. They go to Sindhu, that Indian restaurant I was at earlier. There's actually a set of stairs just outside them. It's sort of a nice little shortcut. I don't know. Jewellery, more jewellery for the ladies. My wife keeps going by, goes, oh, should we go in there and have a look? I was like, no, need another mortgage for that. Not really. Mulberry, bags, handbags. I don't see what's wrong with a wallet in your pocket. That's just me. More ladies' fashion there. Oh, this shop's great. This is the one that's in between here and that's your cruise sale. So you can actually book another cruise while you're on here, and some people get a discount. This one's very much sort of a themed shop by your tour you're going on. So we're going on Norway, and in the day they have like very Norwegian trinkets, trolls. Behind this glass screen, these are really awesome. Do you like that? The Viking drinking horns. They are quite expensive. I don't think I'd drink one if I had one. Okay. Oh, and back there, that's Coral Restaurants. That's what people call main deck dining. So you'll hear people say MDR or main deck restaurants. Pardon me. Those ones you have to book in a virtual queue. I'm actually just going to take you to quickly go in. I'm not going to go all around there because they're guests in there having their breakfast, and I don't think they would appreciate me walking in there talking and disrupting them. Let's just have a quick look in. There we go. That's it. Let them enjoy their breakfast. I don't think I've eaten in there. No, actually, no. Sorry, I did eat in there. We did eat in there one night. Yeah, now just use your app, book, and put yourself in a virtual queue. The virtual queues open up from they open up from 5:15 every evening, and you know what? We have not had to sit in a virtual queue for very long with them. Oh, sorry. This is where you book your shore experience. I have not been here at all to book shore experiences. Most shore experiences, when you get to said destination, there are agents out there, tourist information there, that are selling them, and they're not even hard sell there. They're not even trying to grab you off there. This is Pearl Restaurant, just like Coral Restaurant upstairs. So this is the gin distillery next to Anderson's Bar. Iona is the only ship in the cruise ship in the world with its own gin distillery in it. Quite unique. That's the brand of gin they do, the Maribel gin. Okay, so now we're at the onboard cinema. It's actually just down the hall from where I was last talking, so it's not on the same deck. Anyway, they change the films every day. You know what's really out of the cinema there and then. Right, and opposite is Anderson's Bar and Library. This is really lovely in here. You find a lot of people come here. I'm going to keep quiet in case anyone's sat here reading. A lot of people come here, sort of sit and read their books or just have some quiet time here. With an on-board library as well. Okay, we're back again at the Grand Atrium. See, Grand Atrium where we were earlier. Mechanics. It's your coffee shop. To be honest with you, everything there is pretty much, it's just the cost of coffee at sea. Other coffee brands are available. And here we are this is the art gallery, and this is where the Lime nightclub is. Now, we came here last night to see a show we went to see He'd actually just had it on board, it rotate around. We went to see Ray Quinn in here. Ah, here we go. He was absolutely fantastic. There he goes. That, yeah, brilliant. It was a meal and a show that you do have to pay extra. We pre-booked that before we came here. But yeah, highly recommend it if you do get to see it. And there's the Oasis Health Spa. I've not been there. It might be a bit of a shock, but I've not been in there myself. My wife and her friend went in there yesterday, and they said they came out very relaxed. They said it. So I'm just down at deck 3. This is the lowest part of the ship that passengers are allowed in. I'm just getting in the lift now. Oh, we're on our own. That's right. I can talk a bit. This is the lowest part of the ship. Guests are allowed in. This is where the medical centre is. So again, it's hopefully somewhere where people don't have to visit.
Doors closing.
I did say deck 5 gym. I couldn't find the gym. I've just been down deck 5 there. So if anyone else knows where it is, I'll probably see it on a map in a bit. The infinity pool and bar. That's the main, really, really, really lovely outdoor bar. It wasn't the best shot there where I was behind the beam. This is out the back of the ship. I'll just show you how the infinity pool goes over. I find it really cool. It does get very busy, as you can guess, on sea days. Lots of people going in there and enjoying it. Another infinity pool up there. Let's go up to deck 19, the sun deck. Now this is the highest that any passengers can go on the ship. I've actually only been up here in the mornings when there's been no one about. You've got radar. That's the sky dome, the glass bit there. So I'm looking forwards at the ship now. If you turn around and look back, there's our funnels. The funnels are not loud. However, the sound picks it up here. I don't know if it's going to be louder on the sound or not, but that really is not loud. So it's just a very general hum. So if you think you're going to be up here and you're just going to hear the engines turn in, you're not. And it doesn't smell. There's next to no pollution coming out because this is an LPG powered ship, so it's not gonna stink of coal or something they would have in the olden days of cruising in the Titanic era. It doesn't smell.